It is, ow, toys. It is Monday, December 27th. I have the day off again. Woohoo! How many of you guys have the day off? Don't have to go to work because I'm awesome. Dude, don't show you? You don't want me to turn the camera and look at you? Is that what you're saying? Okay. What do you want? Hi, what? Where are we going? What? Alright. So it's Monday. I have the day off again because I work for I work for the Google. I think everyone works for Google nowadays, don't you think? No, I work for an internet marketing company. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? Anyways, today we're just going to be lounging around. Not really. We're going to be cleaning the house a little bit since we've been so busy this weekend. Maybe we'll go out to the park or something. Shh, don't tell her. Other than that, it's another day. This is day... How many days have we done this? I don't know. Why don't you know? He never knows anything. Why don't you know? He never knows anything. Anyway, I think it's day 5, day 4. I'll check later, or I'll put an annotation. If you haven't already, subscribe up here. I can't point up here. Subscribe. Check out the last video up there. I'll update later. I don't know. I'm just carrying around a baby now. Ugh. Where's the other baby? Oh, there she is. How you doing? What are you doing? Awesome. Alright, we'll check in later. We're going to make some Migas this morning. We've decided upon that because I was going to make some challah French toast. Challah! But, forgot we didn't have milk. So we're going to go get milk later after breakfast because I don't want to go right now and it's cold. So, Ava's waving over there. So we're going to make some Migas. Have you guys had Migas before? They're really, really good. It's just eggs, chopped up tortillas. You saute the onions in some butter and olive oil. Put some eggs, stir them up, make them scrambled and yummy. And just put in whatever you want. Put in some salsa in there, make them real good. My wife likes it with a little bit of potatoes, so put a little bit of that in there. Other than that, I keep saying other than that. So that's breakfast for today. So we'll check in and see how that comes. Oh, do you guys want to see the baklava? This is the baklava that I made the other day. Ooh, yeah. You want some? You want me to send you some? Not gonna do it, but you can send me something. I don't know. Baby hungry? Is the baby hungry? Baby's hungry? Alright, so we're about to chop up the onion. I just wanted to point out something really cool. Do you guys have one of these? It's not the official Chop Genie, but it's really pretty cool. I think it's like the cheap Walmart version of it. We got the onion right here. We're going to saute it in here. Onion, chop it up. Put it in a little bit of olive oil and butter. Saute those for a little bit. Then we're going to take the tortillas, which we have right here, and we're going to cut those up really thin into little bite-sized pieces. So Ava's going to show you how to do it. That's how you chop some onions. It's pretty sweet, huh? Just knock all that out. And then you have some nicely done onions. Now we are doing the butter and the olive oil. This is the slutty olive oil. It's not the extra virgin olive oil. So you just add a little bit of that. We're going to do a teaspoon or a tablespoon of butter. And then we're going to put the onions in there and saute those. Good. Now we're cutting up the tortillas. You can see we just put some in here. The onions are sauteing. Ooh. What are you doing? Are you going to help me cook? I didn't think so. So we got the onions in there. We got the eggs set aside. I'm going to chop up a few more tortillas. Set those aside in here. You're eating my tortillas. You can't have that. My eyes are all watery now because of the onions and the kids. They were just sitting here. My eyes hurt. And Ava's like, no, eyes. So now we're just sauteing up the onions and the tortillas. I bet you weren't expecting a cooking lesson today. A little known fact about me, I was a cook in the Army. Woo! So I like to cook here and there now that I'm out. How many of you guys are in the Army, military, services of some type? So we got the tortillas in here with the onions. We'll saute those for a little bit, and then we'll add the eggs. We'll add the salsa and the cheese afterwards. The cheese is the most important part, because if you don't add the cheese, your wife will probably be mad at you. Because if I don't add cheese, I will get in trouble. She beats me. What's up? What's hot? What? You want a hug? Alright. Now we got the eggs in there. We're just going to let those cook up. Oop. And then after you got all the eggs scrambled in there, yummy goodness, that's when you'll add the cheese and the salsa. It's good to use a thick salsa. That way it's not all runny, obviously. Can I help you? What are you doing? Are you going to help me cook? Are you in here? Are you being my assistant? Hey, I want some food. Give me some food. Why do you sound like a boy all of a sudden? You're a girl. Give me some food, Daddy. Give me some food. The boys need to feed you, huh? They need to feed you. Why do you wag your butt all crazy? You're such a weird dog. Layla. Go. Another little fun fact. We homeschool our kids. So we are currently homeschooling the boys. And since it's my day off, I get to help teach my kids. So Anthony's doing his schoolwork right now.
He's over there playing on a little game. Here. Take that to
Ephraim's
Daddy.
doing his. Ava and I, we're going to go do our schoolwork. Let's go. Let's go in the room. Come on. So we're going to do some coloring activities and stuff. What are you going to do? You're not going to do nothing. You're not going to do nothing. Schoolwork, fun time. You ready? Sit down. Ugh. Alright, what do you want to do first? You want to do the folding, the stickers, or the color? No? Stickers? Let's do stickers. Do you want to do stickers? Hey, do you want to do stickers? No, okay, I didn't think so. What is this? What is that? Is that an apple? Avalie, show me apple. That's right, that's an apple. Baby signing time for the win. If y'all don't know what baby signing time is, it's pretty cool. Teach our babies sign languages, multiple languages, so that they can communicate with us. It's actually really cool. So she knows how to say apple and help, different little sign language, cool stuff, and helps us really know what she wants when she can't actually communicate. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to do some stickers. The boys are doing their math and science. Slide down. There you go. The anticipation was killing me. Oh my goodness. Boom. Say help. Go slide. Steps. Yeah. Steps. Slide forward on your face. No. That would be silly. There'd be no fun in that. What are the boys doing? Where are the boys? Where? What are y'all doing?
Picking up the trash.
Mm-hmm.
The dog's gone too.
Dang dogs. Should we get rid of the dogs?
No.
My dogs keep getting into the trash. We're going to block them off. We're going to block off the trash receptacle area so that they don't get into it anymore. But it's getting really annoying because I keep getting... It is really cold out here, and I'm in a sleeveless shirt and PJ pants. Awesome PJ pants, because they're Superman.
You want this? No, it's yours. Found it. There you go.
It's a lazy kind of day. We've been cleaning and cooking, and doing schoolwork, as you saw. So, I'm gonna go in and edit this video now, just to get it all done. Say hi. Say hi.
Bye.
That's not the word I asked
Bye.
you. See, people are gonna think you're so mean. I already told them you abuse me.
I have stuff to do.
What is this you're wearing? No. We have iPhones in this house.
What's in your closet?
Shh. I'm coming out of the closet with my Android stuff. Oh my goodness. Time to sit down and relax and spin and do some other stuff. Y'all go play outside so we can have some quiet for once. Ever. Yeah. The baby's sleeping. Layla, go lay down. My wife just brought up a point about the little things that we get excited about. Like, getting an iMac was pretty exciting, but the big thing that she wants right now is a steam mop because, as you can tell, we have tile floors and it's a pain in the bedoozle to... Yeah, the whole house is tile except for the bedrooms. So she wants a steam mop. Who's responsible for getting the steam mop? But yeah, what little things used to excite you that, or rather, what things wouldn't have excited you a few years ago, but now you're like, oh my god, I totally want a lawnmower. Because I need a lawnmower too. My lawnmower broke down. It's actually my father-in-law's lawnmower. He gave it to me when we moved into this house. Actually, the old house. When we moved into the old house, he gave it to me to use. But it has seen its last leg. It has seen its last life. So I need a new lawnmower. My wife wants a steam mop. So Sears, if you're listening, send us a steam mop. We'd love it. Oh, and a Roomba. For reals. Get us a Roomba. Someone send me a Roomba. Roomba, please. So she doesn't have to do this. She's sweeping. She's being such a good wife. She's sweeping up the dirts. So yeah, what little things or big things back in the day didn't really excite you, but now you really want a sewing machine or something crazy like that? Leave it in the comments below. Leave it in a video response or something down below. And yeah, I need to figure out a name, a funny, catchy little name for that down there. I called it The Void last night. I don't know. That's that sounds really silly. You like The Void? She likes The Void. Okay, so leave the comments in The Void. Links in The Void. Yeah. Yes, my wife's opinion matters. All right, she's gone.